I like working at Flow-Rite because they recognize that there is a greater cause outside of these four walls.
It has a great atmosphere. All of the employees feel appreciated. There's always something to do and something new to learn.
Flow-Rite is a family-oriented company, and I love working at Flow-Rite. We have a good time here.
Whether it's their commitment to the community with volunteering initiatives or promotion of a healthy work-life balance, I've always been proud to be a part of the organization.
I look forward to coming into work at Flow-Rite because I enjoy all of the people I work with. Everybody has a great attitude. I always get to learn something new while making a difference. I would say I have fun a lot.
The associates that I work with and everything, they make me laugh. We make each other laugh, and at the same time, you know, we keeping safety and quality and everything first. But we have fun.
1 minute, for example, I could be collaborating with members of another department, and the next minute I might be opening my desk drawer to find my stapler floating in a Jell-O mold.
Flow-Rite has helped me grow as an employee and as a person. I learned a lot when I worked on the floor, and now in my position currently, I have learned even more problem solving and a lot of people skills.
With Flow-Rite, they have a lot of different things that, you know, for their associates that they have us involved in. We had summer picnic at Craig Cruisers, and it was fun. I mean, I had a blast. We was racing around the track on the go-karts and everything, and I mean, I loved it, you know, competing with my fellow associates, and it was great. Oh, I love what I do. That's the core value that stands out for me. I do what I have to do to make sure we send out quality products, and that's what counts.
The core value that stands out to me the most is question and improve. Question and improve really resonates with me. I've always had a strong attention to detail, and I like questioning what's going on, and I like that Flow-Rite embraces that and is open to people's ideas and improving things.
The one that speaks most to me is the Help First initiative. I believe that if we all exhibited that level of humility, whether it's to our internal or external customers, we can't be stopped.